Hey there, are you looking for a dashcam that gives you complete coverage of your car from every angle, whether it's inside or outside? If the answer is yes, then you are in the right place, because today we are checking out the Redtiger F17 Plus with 4 channels dashcam. A system designed to capture everything around your vehicle, inside and out. But before we get started, I want to mention that this dashcam was sent to us by Redtiger in exchange for a review. While I appreciate their support to my channel, this will not affect my honest thoughts whatsoever, and my review will remain 100% genuine and unbiased as always. So stick around as we explore everything that this dashcam has to offer. With no further ado, let's jump right in. First off, let's begin with the unboxing. As you can see inside the box, you will get the dashcam itself, 2 interior cameras, the power cable, mounting accessories, and a detailed user manual. The setup process is super easy and straightforward. It installs just like any other dashcam, nothing complicated at all. You just stick the main camera to the windshield and hide the wires along the headliner and you are pretty much done. It's just that simple. Now let's talk about what makes the Redtiger F17 Plus stand out. It is designed for all-around quad view, providing complete 360 degrees coverage of your car. You get a front camera with an inside camera attached to it and a rear camera with another interior one attached to it as well, one facing toward the driver and another toward the rear passengers from the back, ensuring that every angle is fully recorded. And this way you get the full coverage inside and outside your car, which is super cool, and you will feel more comfortable driving this way, knowing that you have a full coverage and your cameras up and running at all directions. The front camera features the latest Sony Starvis 2 sensor, which delivers crisp and clear footage even in challenging lighting conditions. So whether driving at night, under bright sun, all through tunnels, you get everything recorded in high quality. And as you can see, the quality of the recording during the day is just amazing and super clear. You can easily see every details from street signs to lights and license plates and everything in between. And when it comes to nighttime driving, it's no different at all. As you can see, the quality is really great and you can literally see everything clearly, from street signs and the names to license plates and everything in between, which is really impressive. With its advanced image processing and wide dynamic range, you will capture every detail like license plates, route signs, and lane markings with impressive clarity. You can easily manage recordings, playback, and settings directly through the built-in display, which is so convenient and easy to access right at the spot. And if you want more convenience, then you have the Redtiger app on your phone, where you pretty much can do anything, whether downloading or deleting files in the app, to changing the video quality and settings and everything else, making it convenient to review footage whenever you need it. The 4-channel setup also provides excellent security when your car is parked. With its motion detection and parking monitoring features, it automatically records any suspicious movement, giving you peace of mind even when you are away. And for this feature, you will need the hardwire kit, which is really worth it nowadays. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about the Redtiger F17 Plus with 4 channels dashcam. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helped you decide whether it's the best dashcam for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. I will leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours and enjoy complete 4-channel coverage for your vehicle. Don't wait, click the link in the description now to get yours and take advantage of all the features that it has to offer. See you in the next video. Peace.